It's hot. Ghost peppers?
I'm Tank Dell, and today we're doing a blind taste test.
Wait, where is somewhere right here? Yeah, these good. I don't know. Pickle? These are good. Yeah, I love these. I give it like an 8.5. This tastes like something you eat at a barbecue. Sweet barbecue? Korean barbecue. Yeah, it was like sweet. That's how I knew it was barbecue, but I give it like a 7. These something cheese. Cheese puffs. Is these honey cheese puffs? Yeah, I like these. I sit there and eat these all night. I get this a 9. It's hot. Yeah, I don't know this flavor. Lime. This lime. Yeah, man. If I was you, I'd go get them. I'd go buy a lot of them. I give these an 8. Macaroni, potato salad, this loaded potato. I'm a loaded baked potato guy. I give this a 10. It's hot. Ghost peppers? Ghost peppers? It's hot. 8. The spice for sure, 10. It's like macaroni cheese puffs or something. Dill pickle. This good though. I give these a 9. This sweet corn, Mexican sweet corn, Mexican street corn. Yeah, I gotta get this a 10.
If I was you, I advise to stack up on these. Get 100 of these, and these, and these.